Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapoorni Food Express. Friends, I upload every day new vegetarian recipe without onion and garlic. If any friends don't subscribe yet, please I request you subscribe my channel, that you get new recipe every day without onion and garlic. So you can see I plucked pumpkin flower from my garden. Yes friends, today I made a new type of recipe with pumpkin flower. You can see I already uploaded that you can make pakora or kofta curry with this pumpkin flower. But today I show you can make another recipe with pumpkin flower. So first I cut all the pumpkin flower from the back side. You can see you have to cut like this. After that I chopped here potato. I chopped it into cube sizes. You can see you have to chop like small cube. After that I take here capsicum. You can see I also chopped the capsicum very nicely and small sizes. You can see it. Now I will wash all the flour very nicely. After washing it very nicely, now I will chop the flour also with a knife. So I take a knife and chop the flour like this. You can see you have to chop the flour little big like this. You can see how to chop the flour like this. I will chop all the flour very nicely. Now I will take a kadai and hot some oil. After that I will give here chopped potato into it. After giving all the potato into it, now I will add some salt into it. I don't give any turmeric powder here. Now I will fry it into medium flame. After frying it little more, you can see it don't become golden brown. Like this I will put it down on a plate. Then on same kadai, now I will add some mustard oil into it. Then I will give one bay leaves and dry chili into it. After that I will give some white cumin into it. After giving the white cumin, now I will add the chopped capsicum into it. After that I will add some chopped green chili into it. Then I will add some salt, some turmeric powder, ginger, green chili and white cumin paste. Then I will add some Kashmiri mirchi powder. After adding all the ingredients, now I will mix all the ingredients with the capsicum very nicely and fried it very nicely in medium flame. After frying it very nicely, now I will add the fried potato into it and mix with the capsicum and masalas very nicely. After mixing it very nicely, now I will add tala masala into it. If you want to see the recipe how to make the tala masala, please comment me, I will upload it. I made this recipe in my home. After mixing all the ingredients very nicely with the masalas, now I will add the chopped flour into the kadai very nicely. You can see, don't give all the flour at a time. You have to add it little like this. After giving all the flour very nicely, now I will mix the masala and potato and capsicum with the flour very nicely. You can see after mixing it very nicely, now I will keep the flame little low and fried it very nicely. After 3 to 4 minutes, now I will add some sugar and you can see some water came out from the pumpkin flour. So I keep the flame medium again and fried the water from the kadai very nicely. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see all water dried from the kadai very nicely and our recipe become ready. Now I will serve it on a plate. So friends, our today's pumpkin flower special recipe is ready to serve. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. Also try this recipe at your home and comments me. So bye for today.